check it out, boys. I'm gonna be working on her. I'm gonna get the other spotlight installed up there on the other side and start wiring some of this together. First, I gotta go to my parents' place and see if I can't find one of my old spotlights that I threw in the trash, because that piece that goes in the middle that makes it so this moves the spotlight is gone. It is fucked up. It's stripped. So I'd like that back. Barger Matson has 2 other spotlights, but the Crown Vic that they're on, some dickhead locked it. So in order to get into it, it's me putting an axe in the door, smashing the door open. They won't let me break it, the window, which would be so much easier than fucking the door frame. But no, I'm gonna fire my way in there. Fire department my way in there. I need to put some RTV around this hole. Smash that hole down a little bit and then put some RTV silicone around it. And I am thinking about installing the other spotlight the same way. It was super easy. Pick the same spot, drill through it, and have a spotlight on both sides. That only took me an hour to install. Of course, it hasn't been wired up yet. So besides that, I'm thinking about bumpers. Maybe designing bumpers, like metal steel bumpers that can be on the front and back. Right now, if I want to have a winch, I have to take apart this whole front end, and the thing that this is mounted to on the inside, I actually cut it and I just make a solid steel bumper, dash bumper on there, and I essentially just make a winch mount for it so I can attach a small winch. What I'd like to do in the back here is, I'm not sure, maybe fix the bumper or build a bumper that would mount to its stock points with a bigger receiver hitch on it and a mount for the tire. So like right here, a swivel mount so that the tire, I can pull a tire back, have my gas cans and stuff, and then still lift it up. But yeah, I'm about to run to my parents' place and see about that. So yeah, it's looking pretty good. This is what it looks like on the inside right now. I need to make the other mat for the other side, and I want to continue the OD green on stuff like this, and sooner or later this, but not yet. I'm not sure about that. But for right now, it's definitely going to be that. So I'm going to do some small stuff, like finish installing some of the switches that go up here so that I can even wire all those floodlights and stuff. The spotlight's going to be also connected to that. So the spotlight gets its own circuit. The front lights get its own circuit. The momentary or the scene lighting get its own circuit. The rocker lights get its own circuit. So I'm gonna need some more switch space up here. I might have to make a second switch panel right behind it, because I'm gonna have front lights, scene lights, rocker lights, spotlight that doesn't get one, so it'll just be and then it's gonna have momentary switch. I need a light that turns on all my lights in the cab, so that one and that one back there. So I need all that done. Bro, so I just finished this light install. This is my door light. So now I finally have lights in the car that turn on. Besides that, you see that light? That's actually the one spotlight on right now. But let's light this bitch up. Check this out. They got this spotlight. Get that one angled over there. Boom, boom. This whole fucking shop's lit up. We got the rear lights that are the rear floodlights, the side floodlights, the front flood spot bar, the driving spotlights that are supposed to, we still need to adjust them. I want them angled out, kind of almost like fog lights. The only thing that's not on right now are my fog lights, and that's because they're unplugged. Those will be getting LED floodlights that light the ground during fog, but these spotlights will be getting LEDs as well. Yeah, those, just like ours. We don't use these on patrol. You can see why. They're kind of pieces of garbage. I got these from some Crown Vics. And then all of it's controlled via this kill switch. So if I kill this, the shop's gonna get too dark for me to find my way around, so I'm not gonna fucking do it. So that's what I'm doing tonight on Graveyard. But yeah, fucking minty. I'm gonna kill my battery after now. I don't know how long these lights can sustain. Ugh.